Being rich or famous makes getting noticed easy. But what about everyone else? In this video, I will show simple ways to look more attractive. You don't need fancy clothes or big shiny cars. These are easy tricks that work. We will find out what catches people's eyes and why. One part will show a move that makes people see you in a new way fast. Another part will show a small habit that makes a big change. There will be no boring lessons, just quick, helpful tips you can use today. These are not just ideas, these tricks really work. By the end, you will have new ways to feel sure of yourself, look great, and make people remember you. Are you ready to learn these tips? Let's get started. Have you ever seen someone who stands out without trying? It is not about bright clothes or big moves. Sometimes small things make the biggest difference. Take sunglasses. They do more than block the sun. They balance your face and make you look interesting. And women, they notice. A balanced face looks more attractive, but not all sunglasses look good on everyone. The key is finding the right pair. Aviators and wayfarers, they always look good and make your style better right away. Here is something else you might not know. Your eyes can say a lot without words. Looking people in the eyes shows you are confident, and confidence is very appealing. Add a warm, real smile to this, and you will stay in people's minds. The secret? Sunglasses for that cool look. When you take them off, keep eye contact and smile. Put these together, and you will make a lasting impression. Think looking good takes a long time? No, it doesn't. Small changes can help a lot. Take stubble, for example. Studies show that light stubble grown over 5 to 10 days makes men look strong and grown up. It's not instant, but once you have it, it's easy to keep and adds a cool look. Your hair's important too. A quick fix with some styling product or shine spray can do wonders. Clean styled hair shows that you care about how you look. Here's another tip, moisturizer. Moist skin is not just healthy, it makes your face look bright and fresh. Why do these little things matter? Because women notice when you put in effort. Hair that is styled, light stubble, and soft skin. These steps make a big impact. Most of these only take a few minutes, and that stubble, totally worth the wait. Want to know a trick that gets attention before you even talk? It's your scent. Women have a stronger sense of smell than men, so the right scent can make you stand out. But remember, staying clean comes first. Even the best cologne can't mask a lack of freshness. Research shows that some scents get noticed more than others. Citrus scents give energy, while warm wood and musk show depth and confidence. Not sure what to pick? Try safe choices like Dior Sauvage, Creed Aventus, Bleu de Chanel, or Tom Ford Oud Wood. Why is scent so important? Because it's not just a small thing, it's like your silent mark. A nice scent stays with people, so they remember you even after you leave. Have you ever felt like your words don't get the response you want? The trick to turning a chat into a special moment is how you give compliments. Basic ones like, nice dress, or you look good are too simple. They don't stand out. So what works better? Say personal, thoughtful things. That color makes your eyes pop. Or your laugh lights up the whole room. This shows you notice and care. If you want to say you're smart, try saying, the way you explain things makes them so clear. Instead of nice hair, say, today's hairstyle suits you. It adds character. Need more ideas? Praise her choices. Your playlist always has the best songs. Or you pick such fun movies. Notice the little things like a bracelet. That's a unique bracelet. It matches your style. Or, did you change your hairstyle? It looks great. After you give a nice compliment, keep talking with open-ended questions like, what was the best part of your day? Or, what hobby do you wish you had more time for? These questions are light, fun, and show real interest. Follow up with, that sounds fun. How did you get into it? Or, tell me more about that trip. It sounds amazing. Why does this work? Because when someone feels seen and valued, even a simple chat can become special. Words can be powerful. Showing you care makes a big difference. What if I told you one small change could make you look confident without saying a word? It's all about how you stand. Standing tall with your shoulders back is not just good for your body, it shows confidence. And guess what? Women notice. Strong posture tells others you are sure of yourself. This is very attractive. But posture is just the start. How you move matters too. Open, relaxed movements show you are friendly. Crossed arms? That's not good. It pushes people away. Simple things like nodding when someone talks or keeping your hands in view show you are present and interested. Want to look more confident fast? Take a deep breath, stand tall, and own your space. These small changes make you look confident. And trust me, when your body shows confidence, people pay attention. Think looking stylish takes lots of work? It doesn't. Start with simple things. Clean, well-fitted clothes make a big difference. Women notice when a man looks neat. It's not about wearing pricey brands, it's about looking fresh and sure of yourself. Pick fabrics like cotton for casual days and linen when it's warm. These feel nice and look good. Make sure your clothes fit well. Shoulder seams should match your shoulders, and sleeves or pants should be the right length. These little details matter. Want to make your look better? Wear a light sweater or a nice blazer over a shirt for a smart touch. Use accessories wisely. A nice watch or a simple bracelet can make a plain look polished. Accessories show you pay attention to details. Just don't wear too many. Keep it simple. Keep your clothes neat by using an iron or steamer. A pressed shirt shows you put in effort. Want an extra touch? Use a light fabric spray so your clothes smell nice. Quality is more important than quantity. Choose timeless clothes that last. Smart choices like this make you stand out and show you value yourself. And that is very attractive. Real confidence comes from inside. Stoic thinking teaches us one key thing. You only control how you react. When things around you get crazy, staying calm can change everything. Women notice when a man stays cool while others don't. It shows strength and trustworthiness. How do you stay calm? Start by breathing deeply. When stress hits, take a slow breath in, hold it, then breathe out slowly. Do this a few times. It helps your brain stay calm. Try it before a big meeting or event. It shows in your voice and the way you carry yourself. Here's another tip. Try meditating. Spend just 5 minutes a day focusing on your breath. You can use an app or set a timer. Over time, this makes you feel steady and sure. It builds a confidence that people notice. Stay calm and see how it makes you more attractive. Why do some people make talking look so easy? It's not always what they say, it's how they listen. The Stoics knew that real strength comes from understanding others. When you listen well, it shows care. This builds trust. Women can tell when you are really interested. A simple tip: when she talks, don't plan what to say next, just listen. Nod your head, look at her, and ask questions like, "What happened next?" Or, "How did that feel?" This shows you care. Pauses are good too. They show you value her words. Don't rush or try to control the talk. The Stoics remind us to not push for results. Don't try too hard to get praise or approval. Let the talk go where it goes. When you don't try too much, you seem relaxed and real. Being real is what makes you stand out. What small things make a big impact? Start with your hands. Clean, neat nails might seem small, but people notice them when you shake hands or move your hands. It shows you take care of yourself. Shoes are another small but important thing. Clean, polished shoes complete your look and show you care. It's not about wearing the most costly pair. It's about looking neat and sure of yourself. When talking, keep your hands where people can see them and relaxed. Open hand movements show trust and interest. Don't fidget. It looks like you are nervous. These little changes don't take much time but make a big difference. Remember, small details can set you apart. Now you know how to stand out. From making eye contact to trying grooming tips, these tricks show you care. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments and share how it went. Stay sure of yourself. See you next time.